Okay, today is Friday, October 10th, 2025. We are at the location 7385 Trenton Avenue in University City. We are doing a post-replacement camera inspection of this building drain that we just installed or replaced. And also we're going to be doing existing clay line and also some of the PVC that's installed in the backyard, in the front yard, as well as our sewer lateral line from transition to this clean out. We pushed the camera from this existing PVC clean out in the yard all the way to the coupling, where we glue this coupling to the existing PVC 4-inch line. That's just right at the edge where the stack meets the floor. There's a coupling there, right in the bottom of it. And as we pull in this back, we're going to inspect the joints and make a few comments. This is where we glue this coupling right there on the existing PVC, also above. This is an ID, this is the base of the stack. PVC. That's the first Y, 4x3Y, that's the Y for the window valve on the left side. This is the second Y, this is this 4x3Y for the existing floor drain in the corner below the kitchen. And also this belongs to the washer drain and also window valve right there in the corner. And we replaced about 5 feet of this, so we supposed to connect this just at the trench, a couple feet away, but we had to go 5 feet. So as we pull in the back, it's all PVC pipe. And there's another Y. This Y is for the floor drain in the middle of the basement. We replaced this floor drain totally. I'm talking about P-trap, the drain itself on top, and about 5 feet of the line. This one is a clean out. This is something new that University City wanted us to do. We didn't even know about this, but anyway, we got it installed for the homeowner. And there's also, it's kept off with a brass plate and a drain. It's not a drain, it's a clean out brass plate in closer to the wall where the building drain exits the house. And this is right under the foundation now. Under the foundation is this is a pipe-to-pipe connection. This is going under the porch and outside under the slab of a walkway. And this is where the building drain ends. This is where we actually pushed it from inside out. And there's going to be a 6x4 coupling reducer increaser, and this is where we took it off when we were doing a sewer lateral repair for the University City sewer lateral repair program, and also partially the owner's responsibility of that. And then this is where we actually glued that first. This is transition also. Glued it on to do the sewer lateral line with 6-inch. This now is 6-inch PVC, Schedule 40. And there's just an offset there, 22.5 degrees. And we're going to pull it out of this existing clean out. And we're going to go ahead and reverse this. Instead of stopping this video, we're just going to reverse it without stopping it and point it over towards the MSD main, push it over to the MSD. let that move. We're going to go ahead and push this camera a little faster forward, but in the way back we're going to pull it slower to inspect the joints. Usually you got a better visual when we pull in this back. Okay. Put on some water.
Wouldn't get much. Lord? Yeah.
This line is pretty long. It runs all the way across the street. And this is going to be Main, right there. Okay, we're going to go ahead and pull this back now and pull it a little slower, as we said, and inspect these joints. This connection to the main. Right there. That's a wide there. It's just a little gap, but it's not a big issue. Just a very little slight gap. First existing play line, original, with the house. Six-inch existing play line. Pretty open. Side is just a slight gaps on these connections. Turn the water off. There's a little something stuck there, but that's why the camera gets submerged. But it's just probably paper, maybe some grease. There's a little offset here. This gotta be right at where the yard meets the street because of the change of elevation and also slope. But it's pretty open besides this gap. I don't think anything that needs to be done right now with this. And now, this is the PVC to clay connection. This is where the previous repair was stopped some years back, not sure when, but there's some PVC that was installed in the yard from this clean out, and including that to the goes down to the curb or the street line. 6-inch schedule 40 PVC. That right there is just the elbow. Pull it now. It's the clean out T. It's that clean out in the yard right there. And it's property. Okay, in recap, it's all PVC, open and serviceable condition without any problems. Sewer lateral line consists of combination of 6-inch PVC and 6-inch existing clay line from the front porch all the way to the main across the street. It's open and serviceable condition. Besides few gaps on existing clay line. And this would conclude inspection.